and show you guys what's going on under this bonnet, okay? You realize she don't move? She ain't moving. She dry. She's as dry as a Sahara desert. She dry. Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Our girl is back. So I know I've been away for a while and I'm deeply sorry, but I am back. And I came back with my face looking like this, and I know you guys will be like, what happened? I know you with clean face. Girl, guy, I attend college. That's all I have to say. And that was one of the reasons why I wasn't here. I was, it was exam time. Period. You know that go. So yeah, today we're going to do a moisture infused wash day. I'm going to take you guys with me because I think you guys will appreciate this, because sometimes your hair get extremely dry and you don't know what to do. So before I get into the products, I want to recommend or suggest or make a disclaimer or whatever the case may be, that these products that I'm going to show you, you don't necessarily have to go and buy them. You can get something similar that is cheaper, so you guys don't have to break the bank to try to do what I do, because I have no sense when it comes to buying products. Hair products, I buy them all. I'm just kidding, not all of them, but quite a few. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so today wash day, we're going to start off with the Male Organics Moisture RX Hawaiian and Ginger Line. I'm sorry, I'm getting tongue twisted. So yeah, this is a moisturizing overnight conditioner. But as I always say, baby girl, we're not going to get fatigue here. Her hair is not going to be overly moisturized. Male is not going to fix it, okay? She's not going to come and try to get back protein. Nah, we don't do overnight, nothing. So yeah, we're going to go in with this first. I'm not sure how long I'm going to keep it in, but we'll figure that out together. And then I'm going to go in with my favorite shampoo of all time. This is like my fourth bottle. And shampoo take a while for finish. So this is my fourth bottle. And it is the Cream of Nature Clay and Charcoal line. It softens and moisturize and replenish. Okay. And then we're going to go in with our TGIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask. It has raw honey, olive oil. Yeah, that's what I got. So this is how it looks. This is going to be my deep conditioner. And when I rinse on my deep conditioner, I'm going to go in with the main choice. Okay, 3-in-1 Revitalize and Refresh conditioner. And as usual, you're going to need your combs to detangle and your clips to section. So yeah, let me take off this and show you guys what's going on under this bonnet, okay? You realize she don't move? She ain't moving. She dry. She's as dry as a Sahara desert. She dry. Okay, so this is what she is looking at. And she's very disrespectful because she know that we got company and she's showing up herself. So we not okay with that. But yeah, let me come up closer to show you guys what we're looking like. So yes, we are dry, but we are going to try our best, to put her in some sections. We're trying to groom her. She has no class, okay, so we're just gonna spray it down a little bit. Okay, so we have our first section, and as you guys can see, she's real shrunken. She's acting shy, but we're gonna fix her. So we're gonna take some water. I end up change out to just pure water. Just gonna spray it down a little bit. And then we're gonna go in with the overnight conditioner. Just a little bit. And let me tell you, it smells so good. It smells so good. Okay, we're gonna take this much. It's not a lot. I'm gonna apply it to her. Okay, so look at that. She's looking so much better. She looks moisturized. She looked like she ate this morning. Okay, so as I want to say to you guys, like, I noticed as soon as I applied it, you saw that it sat on my hair, right? And I want to say that is because, one, my hair is packed with gel and other products. Okay, it has been a while since I washed it, so it's packed with a lot of products. And then sometimes you have to work in those products. So if you see that the product is sitting on your hair, don't just slap it on and then you slap a shower cap on and you think that, okay, you have to work in that product. And while you're working in the products, you help to detangle your hair before you go in with a comb. Use your fingers to do the majority of the work before you go in with the comb. Okay, as you guys can see, I barely have any shedding on this comb. I have like 3 strands of hair on this comb, and you guys saw how that section was looking. It was looking real matted and ghetto. Sorry. But anyways, so yeah, I'm going to just twist up this section, and then I'm going to do the same thing with the entire, my entire head, because yeah. So yeah. Okay, so I finished, applying all the pre-poo to my hair. So I'm going to take something. I'm not going to say a shower cap because I can't find any. So I found this bag, and this is exactly what I'm going to put on my hair. So with a pre-poo, the aim is to get your hair moisturized as possible, like to put back some moisture in it before you go in with the shampoo to clarify it, because you don't want, when you apply the shampoo, your hair is so dry that it's just one big knot, and then you have to sit there and tear it all the hair. So I want to show you guys, like, the pre-poo helps to moisturize the hair, at the same time it is detangling the hair. So with all the mess that I had, this is all the hair that I lost, all of it. And that is because I went in with my fingers before the comb. If you just go in with a comb, or your hair is dry, or you don't have any products on it, you will report your hair. So the aim is to get shedded hair out, not the healthy ones. So yeah, anyways, I'm going to put the shower cap, this back, over my hair, and then I'll come back to you guys in an hour, hopefully no more, but you know it gets. So yeah, see you guys in an hour. Okay, so I did want to come on here and show you guys my hair before I rinse it out. So I had this in my hair for about an hour and a half, maybe 2. So yes, again, I want to tell you guys that I did use the male organic Hawaiian Ginger Lion. This particular product is the moisturizing overnight conditioner. So yes, you can put this in your hair and sleep with it. Okay, so I'm back and I am going to wash my hair in these twists. So I'm going to go in with the shampoo. Okay. And we're going to try our best to get in between all these twists. So this is what I like to do. Okay, so when you feel as if you applied enough shampoo to your hair, like especially to your scalp, you wash your scalp. The rest of the shampoo will make it way down the shaft of your hair. You don't necessarily need to apply shampoo to the length of your hair. Maybe you can do that if you feel as if you had temporary color on it, or it is really dirty, like you applied a lot of products throughout the week, then you can go that. But I don't suggest it. Just put it on your scalp. Okay, so I did wash out the shampoo and this is how my scalp is looking. We're clean. Okay, so time for the deep conditioner. Okay, so we're gonna take a small amount, not too much. I'm just oh yes. Work your products in, girl or sir. You don't buy your products to just put it on your hair and it don't penetrate your shaft and you just wash it off and that's it. Nah, these products are too expensive. Okay, this deep conditioner is almost $3,000 Jamaican, that is. So I ain't playing with it. I need it to moisturize my hair. And as usual, we're just gonna twist it back up, okay? Keep our hair in twist, reduce your hair getting matted all over again. Remember, you already detangled in the pre-poo stage, whatever. So there's no need to get your hair all tangled again, to detangle again. No, keep it in the twist. Okay, so I finished applying the deep conditioner. I'm going to do the same process like I did with the pre-poo, which is to put on the bag over my hair again for at least an hour, and then I'll rinse it. I'm not sure if I'll rinse it out and come on camera, or I'll come on camera and then rinse it out and then apply my deep conditioner. But whichever way I do it in, I will see you guys in an hour and a half. Be right back. Okay guys, so I am back, but I wanted to show you guys my hair just before, you know, I rinse it out and then apply my leave-in. So again, I did use the TGIN Honey Miracle Mask. So these are my twists. You see how juicy they are? Like they're so juicy. So this is my twist right before I rinse it out. I'm telling you guys, this mask gets my hair right every single time, but in Jamaica it's very pricey. Okay, so I rinsed out the deep conditioner and now it's time to go in with the leave-in, which is again the main choice, the 3-in-1. So I will be doing a protective style, so I want to make sure that my hair is properly moisturized, and I can tell you guys this leave-in gets it every single time. So again, we're still with the twist. We don't forget our twist. This is my hair. You see how shiny that deep conditioner gets my hair? Like it's so shiny and moisturized. Like, oh my gosh. This feels so good. I'm telling you guys, this wash day gets my hair right every single time. If my hair was so dry, like so dry, you guys see it couldn't move, and look at it now. Okay, so as I did say to you guys, I will be doing a protective style. So I'm going to braid it to give my hair some stretch so I don't have to go in much with the blow dryer or even on a towel. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it. But if you guys stay tuned, I will be posting that video, I think, after this one. So turn on your post notifications. If you haven't already subscribed, definitely join the family. We will really appreciate you guys. So I love you guys so much. So yeah, definitely do that so you guys can see what hairstyle I'm going to put in. I'm super excited for it because the style gives me the illusion of my hair while protecting my hair. That's all I'm giving away. So yeah, definitely turn on your post notifications so you don't miss my uploads. Yeah, and join the family. So I'm gonna shut up now and basically finish applying my leave-in. So this is how my hair is looking. We got some nice juicy braids. I went ahead and take off that wet shirt and put some lip gloss on my lips because throughout this entire video I've been recording and my lips have been dry and not one of y'all told me. Not one. But okay. So yes, I really hope you guys enjoyed this wash day with me. This is exactly how I do my wash day every single time. Well, the method, but the only thing may vary is the product. So again, I did go in with the male overnight moisturizing conditioner. Then I went in with my Cream of Nature clay and charcoal shampoo. And then I did go in with my Honey Miracle hair mask from TGIN, and then I sealed it off with my 3-in-1 from the Main Choice leave-in. So yes, normally I would go in with some oil right now, but I think I want to wait until my hair is dry and I put in the oil because that prevents you from applying too much. Sometimes when your hair is wet, you don't realize that you're applying too much. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, again, subscribe to my channel and join the family. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye. Remember to stay tuned for the protective style. It's coming. Turn on your post notifications. Thank you guys. Bye.